Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a versatile, the WAVLINK Dual 4K Thunderbolt 3 docking station is one to consider. Let's explore the features. Dual 4K video output. For those who work with multiple displays, this docking station offers dual video output support with resolutions at 60 Hz. You can connect two 4K displays using the included Active DisplayPort to HDMI 2.0 adapters for sharp visuals and efficient multitasking. HDMI Display Support. The WAVLINK dock includes two Active DisplayPort to HDMI 2.0 adapters, which allows you to use HDMI displays at up to 4K 60 Hz. Whether you're working with a MacBook Pro or Windows laptop, you'll have high-resolution display options readily available. Ultra-fast transfers. With 3 USB 10 Gbps ports and 2 additional USB 3.0 ports, you'll have fast data transfer speeds ideal for quickly accessing files on external drives, connecting peripherals like keyboards and mice, and more. 60-watt power delivery. The Thunderbolt 3 port provides 60-watt power delivery, making it easy to charge your laptop while you work. This feature is perfect for power-hungry devices and ensures your laptop stays charged and ready. Gigabit Ethernet port. For stable, high-speed internet access, this dock includes a Gigabit Ethernet port. You'll get reliable internet connectivity, making it ideal for video calls, file downloads, and smooth online work without relying on Wi-Fi. With its extensive connectivity, power delivery, and sleek design, this docking station is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their workspace. Check out the link in the description to learn more and get yours today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech reviews.